Let the buoy be from Malaysia, but it has reached India, and India में आशिकों की कमी है नहीं, तो सब चलेगा. This is East Coast Rider, and today we are going to Chilika. Chilika is the largest brackish water lake in the entire world. We are doing something different today. We are planning to stay in a boat. This is basically Mangalajodi and Chilika Seamount. I think these bamboo shoots provide much required seclusion for the migratory birds to thrive in this environment, and because of this it is one of the most beautiful places to watch birds and to photograph them, to document them, and that is the reason why many people come during this time to document these birds. We have reached the market area where these boats come and sell their catch, and we will be purchasing fish and our breakfast from this area, and then we will be going towards that outside Chilika. We are cooking our food here. It's a makeshift chula inside a boat, and the boat extends still here. So we came from that side. We are crossing into Chilika right now, and welcome to the world's largest brackish water lake. We are taking fishes from adjacent boats, those who have come to fish. Fishes, prawns, everything. We are cooking them up. So normal boat became a sailboat within a second, and no pollution here, just free wind energy doing its job. Our lunch is sorted: prawns, fish, and more fishes. And this is our makeshift kitchen in between water. So this is Chilika. Egg. So rice and fish curry for us. The weather is very pleasant, windy, and food is ready. So it's pretty windy now, and this is Satpada near Puri, and we are going to the sea mouth where Chilika meets Bay of Bengal. Hopefully we'll make it back before evening. This is the Chilika Seamount, which connects to the Bay of Bengal. Unofficially, the real seamount is still 2 hours away, which we won't be able to do today because it's already 4:30, and going and coming will become night. This is the official place, which if you have ever come, Satpada and go to the Chilika Seamouth, they'll bring you here. And we are at Rajhans Island, and the boat is parked a bit far away from water. And okay, jumping in the cold water. Get to the other side. How but udhar hai. Improvisation at its best. No glasses, only bowls. Coffee is done. We are drinking in bowls. Bowl of coffee. Jugaad at its Indian best. So migratory birds come here for mating, and this is one of the nests. It's a massive nest. I think it's a heron. I don't know which kind, but it's beautiful. We came from Chilka from that side, and that is the sea on the other side. I realized one thing. Last year there was a beaching of a tugboat. It got grounded during a sea storm of August 19, and this tugboat was here for around 30 days. I'll be showing you. It was a tugboat with a barge. So the tugboat was of Malaysian origin. You might have read its name. I don't remember, Tan Hua something. I'll show you the name. It was carrying a barge, not carrying, it was pulling a barge, and both of them got grounded. It was a Malaysian tugboat. It was rescued by a Singaporean team, but the barge was left here. So I'm running out of breath. It's morning, cold, and I'm walking on sand. Okay, I'll show you the telltale signs of boat was here. Give me a minute. So the very first sign is this rope. I'll show you where the tugboat was. They have already dragged it out. So the ropes are right now lying snatched on the beach, and we'll go towards the barge. So that is the barge that has been grounded and beached here since last 6 months, and people have already started cutting it because of course you can see the sea level here, but here it is less, so it's altering the course of the beach. And here are the ropes that was used to tie the tugboat, which has been taken out. Of course the barrage is massive and most definitely heavy. That is the reason it couldn't be removed out of this beached sand. Thus it has been left like that. The very fact it is this massive is from the crane that is kept atop it, and you can see how small it looks. So these are the salvaged iron parts from the Genova 42, and as you can see the destruction here, this is courtesy of the last year's cyclone Fani that hit us during May. And of course this was a proper jungle before, but you can see broken trees, uprooted trees, and the sheer level of devastation. All the trees are barren, but still life is coming back to normal for these folks. They have learned to rebuild, and also government is helping them out. This is one of the hidden gems maintained by state government. Not a very easy place to access, so not much of commercialization here. This island does not have any shop. It's just Chilika Lake on one side and the sea on the other side. So you can come here and enjoy this place. Very calm, serene and peaceful. Thank you Odisha government for maintaining this and not commercializing it. Had a short halt in Satpada and are starting back to Balma. We stocked up on our food here, lunch especially. So lunch today includes kalma, rice, for us veg folks, and burnt fish directly from the open stove for them. So 2 days of mayhem and staying in Chilika. So this ride has come to an end. Quite liked it. Maybe we'll come down next year. Who knows?